This is the real deal, the 10-minute easy full body workout in bed which I have brought for you on very special demand, because this workout requires nothing, just being in bed. You don't have to buy expensive clothes. I know, being overweight, sometimes you feel the need to buy expensive clothes to go to the gym, just to go exercise, be it in a park, or even buy expensive shoes so you can go running, jogging and whatnot. But after a few days, you happen to feel demotivated because you are so conscious of what people will think of you. Have they been watching you while you're exercising? Are they giggling about you? So this workout is in your private space, just you and me. Let's get this party rolling, and I promise if you do it for good 21 days, you will definitely lose that belly fat, tone your full body, and you will be back in shape soon. This workout in the comfort of your own home, in fact your own bed, your very favorite place, you will end up not just losing weight all over your body, but also toning your hips, thighs, your butt, your arms, your legs, every which part of your body. Now, aren't you excited? I am too. Let's begin. So just like any other workout, this workout also requires a simple warm-up. Just like this, you have to begin marching. And if you want, we're going to use a hand movement too. Just begin marching. Keep it slow and steady. Do not stop. And then we're going to roll our elbows, our shoulders. We're going to get all these muscles moving. First clockwise, then anti-clockwise. It's early in the morning and your joints and muscles need just a little bit of warm-up before you can do any workout. If you think you need slightly more of a warm-up, then you can continue to do it for about 2 to 3 minutes. I think I'm good enough and I'm beginning with the workout. So for the first exercise, we're going to sit at the edge of the bed, keep our arms not very close, just shoulder width apart, and we're going to come forward. And this action is going to get our triceps activated, and you're definitely going to feel the burn very soon. So this is really going to tone your arms, your whole hand muscles, your shoulders, and you would have felt a great workout after the end of it all. For the next exercise, I'm going to use a pillow. I'm going to squeeze it as much as I can, bend forward, keeping my spine straight, and I'm going to rotate like this, forward and backward. Keep your core tight at all times, like this. Make big circles. Your stomach, you're going to feel the burn. Now we're going to go the other side, anti-clockwise. This is a very effective exercise for your core, for your abs, and in a way it's also going to help you get your posture correct, because you're keeping your spine straight and then bringing it forward. You're not going to bend like this. This is wrong. You're going to keep your spine straight and then you're going to come forward. And the further you go with the pillow, the better it is. If you just do this, it's not going to affect you. I want you to take the pillow as further as you can. So with this, we've come to the end of our second exercise. Well done, all of you. Moving on to the next exercise. Now for the next exercise, I'm going to squeeze the pillow yet again. Put it in between my knees, and I'm going to try and squeeze it as much as I can with my knees, applying as much as pressure I can. Hold it to the count of 10 and release. So this is a perfect workout for your inner thighs. Squeeze, hold it to the count of 10 Keep your tummy tucked in as well. Keep your posture straight. And release. So this you can do about 5 to 10 counts, as much as you want. Any number of reps is going to be beneficial, and in fact, you can do it any time of the day. And release. So let me show you the next exercise. So the next exercise, I'm going to stay in this very position, and I'm going to now, after squeezing the pillow, lift up my legs. This is for the lower belly fat. Like this. This is absolutely very effective in getting rid of your lower belly fat. Make sure your back is straight and movements are slow and steady. You don't have to do like this, because then you're going to lose the focus and you won't even feel the burn. So do it slowly. Back straight. Shoulders broad enough. Open up your shoulders. Spine straight. And feel the burn. Keep your toes pointing downwards when you lift your leg. And we're done with nearly 10 counts. Now moving on to the next exercise. So for the next exercise, we're going to place the pillow like this. Stretch our legs and our arms. Then take the pillow without letting our toes touch the bed. Come back again and keep doing this. A very effective and easy exercise for not just our belly, but our arms, our legs, and of course our belly. Keep your spine straight. Keep your breathing normal. I guarantee if you do this every day, you will end up losing so much weight and toning all your body muscles. So moving on to the next exercise, we're going to keep our legs like this, squeeze the pillow as much as we can, and just like this, touch our elbows on each side of the bed, keeping my spine straight. And this is a very effective exercise for your side belly fat. So the entire full body workout which I have designed for you is a very easy and effective way for you to lose your full body fat just laying in bed. So the last exercise is very easy. Again, we're going to take the pillow in our hands. We are going to squeeze it as much as we can. Keep our legs less than shoulder width apart, just slightly less. And we're going to try and sit on the bed and get up. Try not to touch the bed. Get up just before your butt touches the bed. And this is a perfect workout. It's going to get your legs in shape. Keep your core tight, your shoulders. If you want, you can even keep your hands like this. This is even more effective. I can do about 100 reps of these. Do let me know in the comment section how many can you pull off. And I'm so proud of all of you to have completed this workout with me, and doing it every single day is going to bring you immense benefit, joy, and good health. Now I'll see you again with many more exciting videos. Till then, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do let me know in the comment section which one of these was your favorite.